Welcome to our YouTube video on how to grow and scale a newsletter business. In this video, we will provide you with practical and helpful strategies that you can implement to take your newsletter business to the next level. Starting a newsletter business can be a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with a wider audience. However, growing and scaling this business requires careful planning and execution. One of the first strategies to consider is identifying your target audience. Understanding who your ideal subscribers are will help you tailor your content to their needs and interests. Conduct market research and create buyer personas to gain insights into your audience's demographics, preferences, and pain points. Once you have identified your target audience, it's time to create valuable and engaging content. Your newsletter should provide valuable information, insights, and solutions to your subscribers' problems. Make sure to deliver content consistently and maintain a high level of quality to keep your subscribers engaged and coming back for more. Another effective strategy is to leverage social media platforms to promote your newsletter. Create profiles on platforms where your target audience is active and share snippets of your content to attract their attention. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, and encourage them to subscribe to your newsletter for more valuable content. Collaborating with other influencers and experts in your niche can also help you grow your newsletter business. Reach out to industry leaders and propose collaborations such as guest writing or co-hosting webinars. This will not only expose your newsletter to a wider audience, but also establish your credibility and authority in the industry. In addition to these strategies, it's important to optimize your website and landing pages for conversions. Make it easy for visitors to subscribe to your newsletter by placing prominent opt-in forms and offering incentives such as free resources or exclusive content. Lastly, don't forget to track and analyze your newsletter's performance. Use analytics tools to monitor your open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. This data will help you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your newsletter business. By implementing these practical strategies, you can grow and scale your newsletter business and attract a loyal subscriber base. Remember to stay consistent, provide value, and engage with your audience. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on growing your online business.